welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through disabling the Family Center feature on Discord using your PC. This process is straightforward and takes just a few moments. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open Discord on your computer. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, look to the bottom left corner of the Discord window. You'll see a small gear icon next to your username. Click on that gear icon, and this will take you to the User Settings menu. In the User Settings menu, scroll down the list on the left side until you find the option labeled Family Center. Click on it to access the Family Center settings. Now that you're in the Family Center tab, you'll see various options related to it. To disable Family Center, simply look for the toggle switch at the top. Click on it, and this will turn off the feature. Once disabled, you won't be subject to its restrictions any longer. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Family Center on Discord. You can now enjoy a more unrestricted experience while using the platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's anything else you'd like to learn about Discord. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.